So you want to know, how do I set goals for 2020? How do I set goals and how do I reach them and make 2020 way better than 2019? Now, if you guys stay tuned to the end of this video, I'm going to go through a two-step process that's going to show you exactly how to set and reach your goals. All right, guys, super simple. So just stay to the end of this video. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. All right, guys. So I drew this little funny picture, and it probably looks like a picture that you've seen. If you have kids, maybe it's on like your refrigerator, or maybe it's in your room or on your wall or whatever. But it says, "Daddy, I want to be a superhero when I grow up." And what's so comical about this is that I feel like it's how a lot of people think about their goals. Okay, like they know they want to get somewhere and they know they want to do something. Like they know that they want to make $1 million, or they know they want to make $100,000 next year. They know they want to do it, and they just say it, or they just want it. But there's no real plan on how to get to where they're going. Okay, so that's what I want to help you guys do. I want to give you all a two-step process to take you from, I know this is my goal, I know this is what I want to do, to this is what I need to do to get there. Okay, and I hope that makes sense. So the first step to this process is going to be that you have to reverse engineer your goals. Okay, you have to reverse engineer your goals. So for instance, in this example, it says I want 10,000 subscribers on YouTube in a year, which is definitely doable. It says I want 10,000 subscribers on YouTube in a year. So the first question you're going to ask yourself is, well, how many new subscribers do I get for every video that I make? Okay, and in this example, the answer is 50. So then you have to ask yourself, okay, if I get 50 new subscribers from each video, how many videos does it take to get 10,000 subscribers? And the answer is 200. So then you guys kind of get the gist, but you keep breaking this thing down. Just, you keep going down, right? And then like the next one says, how many videos per week will that be to reach 10,000 subscribers? 3.8 videos. So you have to do 4 videos a week to be able to reach 10,000 subscribers in a year. And that's kind of what you have to do, because when you look at the big picture and you're like, oh my goodness, like 10,000 subscribers, that's so much. But then you have to break it down where it's something that your mind can like conceptualize and say like, okay, that's only 4 videos a week. I can do that. And so that's the first step. You have to reverse engineer your goals. Now, the second step and the final step I'm going to share with you guys, super short video today, but it really is this simple. The second step is that you have to track your progress. You have to track your progress. Now, and I don't mean that like, I know we're getting close to New Year's, but it doesn't mean whenever you get to like next December 31st or next January 1st, that then you say, oh, well, let's look back on how I did this year and let's see what I can do to make that better. No, I honestly feel like if you keep a journal, you write down your goals, you write down what you're going to do each day, and then at least once a week, follow up and make sure that you are where you need to be. Did you make your 4 videos for the week? If you didn't, you're behind. You need to do more videos for the next week. And the reason why I'm saying have that kind of frequency is because if you don't, then you're going to get a month, 2 months, 3 months down the road, and you're going to wonder, man, how did I get so far behind? Like you're halfway through the year and you only have 1,000 subscribers, or whatever your goal may be. That's just the example for this video. But guys, it's so important that you track your progress at least weekly. At least weekly. That way you can stay on top of your game and you can know, okay, am I on track or am I doing something wrong? Do I need to work harder? Do I need to put in more hours? Do I need to pivot and go this way or that way? What do I need to do, right? So that is huge, guys. So number 1, reverse engineer your goals. And number 2, make sure and track your progress. That way you know that the plan you set for yourself, you are following it. Okay, guys. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Super short one. If y'all did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Okay, guys. I'll be releasing lots more videos. Tons more videos. So make sure you just stay tuned. All right, guys. I appreciate y'all, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next video.